On this particular video, I'll be teaching you how you can set up your system and start taking online service. So first of all, what you need to do is come to your settings, go to your system settings, search for change time zone. But first of all, you start with location privacy and settings. Just click on it, search it. So once you search it, make sure that everything is off. You off everything, all the locations. You change everything, you off it. So once you off it, you go and select your region, the region which you want to use, either US or UK. So once you are done, you go to your Chrome and search for this browser, Bitbrowser. Search for Bitbrowser, download it on your system. So once you have downloaded the app, you launch it. Once you launch it, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now, for you to use this, you need a proxy. So you can get your proxy from anywhere, but just know that there are some proxy that are not strong, so you just need to look for a very strong proxy. Now once you get your proxy ready, you come over to this, by your left hand side, you come over to this page here where we have this browser profiles. So you click on the browser profile. It's going to show you this page like this. You can see I already have a profile which is UK profile, so I'm going to add a US profile to this just to demonstrate to you guys. So what I'm going to do now is you come over to this add button here, this add button, click on the add. Then once you click it, is going to pop up this particular page for you. So this place at the right, name of the profile, you can put any name. As for me, I'm going to put US profile, United States, US profile. So after you have inputted the name, you don't need to touch anything here again. All you need to do is scroll down, just go down. You see this place at the right, proxy. Now you leave it on custom, then this place you leave it like this. Locked up channel, leave it at this one, IP123. Now this type, now you select the arrow, this small arrow that is close to it, you click it. It's going to bring out some options for you. Now it's going to bring out this option. You click on SOX 5, select SOX 5. Now after you selected SOX 5, you're going to bring you these options. Leave this one on like that, this IPv4, you leave it. Then this host, this is where you are going to input your proxies. Now once you get your proxy here, that this place at the right, host, you input either your server or anything. The numbers are like this. You can input your proxy. As for me, my own is 67.217.243.238. Now this place that the right port, you input the port. The port, normally there are some ports that are just 4 in number, some are 5 in numbers. So as for me, my own is 5105880. Now once you are done inputting the port, the username and password, some of the proxies come with username and password, while some don't come with it. So as for me, my own come with username and password, so I'm going to input the username and password. So that's my username and this is my password. So this is my username and password. Once you are done putting the details, now you click on this option here that says check proxy. You want to check if the proxy is valid or not. So once you click on check proxy, you allow it to load. It's going to check. Now you can see it's telling me that this the this is my IP address, and this is my country. I'm in US, so Texas city, Santiago. So you can see it's showing my IP details. So it's telling me that this IP address has not been used in any software. That means I am good to go. So I need to scroll down again. We continue going down. Now look at this place that they write clear cache before launch. You can leave it on. It means whenever you want to come back and work on your profile, once this thing is on, it's going to automatically clear all your previous data. It's just as if you clearing your phone, the application storage, for you to have a new fingerprint. So you can now click on this random fingerprint, or you leave it like that. Hope you understand. You can click on random fingerprint, or you leave it off. So once you are done, you scroll down. You don't need to touch anything again. Then you confirm. Then you allow it to confirm. So once you can see now, I am having two profiles now. I have UK profile, I have US profile. If I'm to enter the UK now, anything I'm doing on this profile is going to be mainly on UK site. Same thing applies to this. Anything I'm doing on this US profile now is going to be US. It's going to show me that I'm in US. So let me launch this one. Let me launch the US profile and see. Once you launch any profile, it's going to pop up a browser page for you. This browser page now is where you are going to be working on. You don't need to close it. Don't close it. This browser is where you are going to work on. Now, if I want to start my work now, I will just click on this plus sign that's adding. I'm going to add this new profile. Once I click on it, I can now do my IP check. More.com. I can check my IP. Where is it? Where is my location presently? And as you can see, if you check, look at it. Look at my location now. It's showing me I am 100% my anonymity is 100%, and as you can see, I am in US. It means my profile is in US and everything about me now. So anything I'm going to do on this particular profile now is going to be US. Okay, let me log into one of my 5survey accounts. The 5survey account is gone, but let me just check it. It did not allow me to withdraw my money. So let me log into my 5survey account. So as you can see, anything I'm doing on this page is going to be mainly US. Same thing. Let me minimize this and open. Let me launch the UK profile. Let me open the UK profile. Once I open the UK profile now, it's going to open another fresh browser for me. So it means that browser now, anything I'm doing on top of that browser, this particular UK, if you check below my tab, you can see we have this one. My browsers are showing 1 and 2. It means this second one is my US profile and this one is my UK profile. So if I'm to look at it, I just launch it and it's opening the previous data for me. So let me check our anonymity. Let's do our IP analysis and see. You can see this one now is telling me that I'm in UK, whereas the second one, this one, you can see this one now, this is my US profile. This is my US profile, and look at it. It's telling me that I am in United States. Let me refresh it. This advertisement is blocking it. You can see this profile 2, which is US, is telling me that I'm in United States. Profile 1 is telling me that I am in United Kingdom. So this is how you can do your survey with using your Bitbrowser. This is how to set it up. You set it up, then your what you just need now is you need your proxy, either UK or US. Once you get it, you are good to go. So